All right, everyone, welcome back to Phonics. Today's Phonics worksheet page is page number 291. If you're watching everything in order, today should be Thursday. So this is Thursday's Phonics worksheet, page number 291. So the first section says, rewrite the sentence adding an adverb that tells how the action of the verb was done. So just like in the last video where I read out a sentence, and the sentence made complete thought, just adding the adverb made it sound much better. The same way like they did the first one, whereas here it says Ava sang a song. Well, in the sentence, the word showing action or the verb is sang. Sang how? Well, they added beautifully. So Ava sang a song beautifully. I wrote the first one here on the board. Liam and John helped. Well, helped how? Because helped is the verb, so helped how? Let's see. How about willingly? We can say Liam and John helped willingly. And you can use any adverb that you want. We could say either they helped willingly, we could say they helped quickly, the adverb describes the word. It's not another way of saying the verb. It describes the verb. How was it done? It was done willingly. How did they help? They helped willingly. How did they help? They helped quickly. You could also say they helped quietly. So any one adverb that you choose would go with this sentence. Liam and John helped willingly. So you can go ahead and finish the rest of that section on your own. The second section says, read the sentences, underline the verbs 2 times, and circle the adverbs. Draw a small arrow from the adverb to the verb it describes. So for the first sentence I have here written on the board, it says, Christopher carefully carried Grandma's teacup. All right, so the word in this sentence showing action is carried. It's something you can do. Carried. Carried how? It says Christopher carried Grandma's teacup. Carried how? Carried carefully. So you would just circle it like the instructions say and draw an arrow from carefully to carried, because carefully is telling us how Christopher carried Grandma's teacup. And then you can do the rest of that section on your own as well. The last section says, write a verb to go with each adverb. So this is kind of like the opposite. They already gave you the adverb. So let's look at the first adverb, section number 3. The first adverb is loudly. Well, you can do a lot of things loudly. Remember, a verb is a word that shows action. So they give you the verb, or you can just think of something that you could do loudly. What can you do loudly? You could play loudly. You could talk loudly. What else could you do loudly? You could eat loudly. That's not very good thing to do, but you could eat loudly. So those are a few verbs that you could do. Gladly is the second adverb. What are things that you could do gladly? You could man, I just lost what I was going to say. I lost my train of thought. But you could help gladly. They could help gladly. Liam and John helped gladly. You can, and gladly is a harder one to do. Sing gladly. You could sing gladly. All right, and you can do the rest of those adverbs on your own. Don't forget to put your name on your paper, and please write in cursive. So down at the bottom of the page, dictation, you're going to write the sentence I say. The sentences that I say. There's 2 sentences today. There are 2 blanks. I'll show you real quick. On the paper, at the bottom, dictation, there's the first blank. You're going to write the first sentence right there. And then there's the second blank. You're going to write it right there. Okay, so listen carefully. The first sentence, writing in cursive, proper capitalization and punctuation. Can you play Can you play baseball? Can you play baseball? Okay, that was the first sentence. The second sentence is, will you teach me how? Will you teach me how? Okay, so that was today's dictation, and I hope you guys have been having a wonderful week. I can't wait to see you guys back here again.